Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. For this video, we're going to switch universe and we're going to unbox from DC Hawkgirl. Okay, but it's not just any ordinary Hawkgirl. This is a variant of Hawkgirl which we call DC Bombshells Hawkgirl. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go! Okay, so as I said, we are changing it up a bit this day. And instead of our usual Marvel and X-Men unboxing, we're moving into DC. And I don't collect a lot of DC, okay, for financial reasons, okay, but I do spend some cash to collect my favorite DC line, which is the DC Bombshells series. So Hawkgirl is one of the Bombshells. If you're not familiar with the Bombshells line, they are like pin-up versions of your DC heroes, and mostly females. That's why I love Bombshells. Okay, so we have here an alternate cover for Earth 2, I think, issue 24, okay, the new 52, and the cover is Hawkgirl. Okay, but before we go to our big unboxing reveal, let's take a look at some of my other Hawkgirl related items. I have this, this is I think from Cryptozoic. Okay, so from Cryptozoic, Hawkgirl version. Okay, Hawkgirl mini. So you can see how cute Hawkgirl is with that stripes on the cheeks and blushes. I love it. And then we also have a version of Hawkgirl with Funko mini vinyls. Okay, so this is much, for me, much better than the Cryptozoic, primarily because of the bubble gum, okay, and the eye expression. So if you put them side by side, okay, so this one really stands out, and it's super cute. Okay, and the fire effects, the flight effects, amazing. And this also close to the actual statue that we're unboxing, so they really pair up well. And then finally, of course, we cannot do an unboxing without a Heroclix version of the figure. So this is the Heroclix version of Hawkgirl Bombshells. So this is a limited edition released way back 2018 of Hawkgirl. So also with that flight effects, and she's flying from a bombshell, a literal bombshell. Okay, so let's take a look briefly at her card. Hawkgirl is again DC LE 18-010. So she has the keywords bombshell, past, and soldier, a scientist rather. Real name is Shira. And she has a couple of traits. Bombshell, when Hawkgirl makes an attack targeting an opposing character, give her a bombshell token. Free, if she has 2 action tokens, remove 2 bombshell tokens, then make a close attack. And the second trait, sidestep, free, remove a bombshell token to use Perplex until your next turn, but only to target a character with the bombshell keyword. So that's their, the bombshell trait is their synergy. So it's nice to build a bombshell team. And she has a special damage power, which is a lady of many titles and Jill of all trades, empower enhancement. Okay, and that's very appropriate because in the comics, she is more the tinkering girl. Okay, she likes to tinker stuff and then make some inventions. Okay, including her jetpack here. Okay, so let's take a look at the flavor text. Jetpack. Here we go. Always exploring. The ancients forgot more things than you or I could ever dream of. and fancy flying. A little bubble gum will hold it together. Okay. Unfortunately, she doesn't have a bubble gum here. And those who forget history are destined to repeat it. Yeah, that is so true. Especially with the Philippine election, those who forget history are destined to repeat it. So at the back of the card, you see here the character card. The character image would have loved it more if it was a comics cover like this one. Okay. But let's take a look at the powers. So she has 0 range, only close combat, movement, top click is 10 hypersonic, 11, 18 ESD, and that 3 damage, special damage power. So 75 points. She's okay as a taxi, I guess. But the synergy should be what you maximize if you want to use this figure. And she has improved movement characters. So she can move without breaking away from any character. Always a good thing. Okay, so let's go ahead now and go to our main event, which is the unboxing of this statue. Okay, so this is from Aunt Lucia Design. Okay, so I got, just a quick background, I got this statue for cheap. Usually this goes around $300, but I got it for around $100 if I'm not mistaken, 100 or 150. Okay, I was able to get it for cheap because I bought 2 from an individual. Okay, unfortunately, this thing has a tiny broken piece, which is fine. I guess that's what we get for 50% off figure. Okay, but anyway, it is what it is. You love them with their flaws and everything. So, Hawkgirl, limited edition. We have here on top the logo of Hawkgirl. On the side, we have the illustration. So you can see here, it's only 124, okay, when it was first released. But of course, it accumulated value. Okay, that's fair. Only fair. And then measures 10, approximately 25 inches high and 26.5 inches, I don't know, 26 point something. Okay, so designed by Aunt Lucia and sculpted by Tim Miller. Good job, guys. And then these are some other Bombshell characters. We have, of course, Holiday Harley Quinn and Mera. So we both have them. We have unboxed this. You are yet to unbox this beauty probably soon. Okay, and then on the last side, we have the another picture, and take a look at that. So she's really a thing of beauty. So let's go ahead, open up this statue so that we can display it in our cabinet. Okay. So this is number 1,927 of 5,200 made. Okay, there's a lot made, but it's a bit hard to really get this figure, as well as some other figures like Catwoman, Harley Quinn, obviously being the front runner of the Bombshells. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so this is pre-love, obviously. There are some tapes here we can remove. Okay, it opens up. How does it open up? Okay, let's remove some tape, and this should open up the base plate. Okay, so the base plate again confirms 1,927 of 5,200. We'll put it aside for now. Okay, and then let's keep opening the box. Okay, take out this tape here from the side. So here, it's already open. I remember taking a peek at it before just to check whether everything is here. So it's already open. So let's just open sesame. So we have here the nameplate, Hawkgirl. Okay. So good. It's not broken. So we just place it here in front. Okay. And then the girl herself, Hawkgirl. You can see. Okay. And there's a small piece that I said was broken off. And this is the small piece. You can see the hair here. It's broken. Okay. The other side has a tiny bit of hair. And this is the hair, the missing hair. So we'll probably put a glue. Try to fix it with a glue. Everything can be solved by a glue. Okay, before we display the piece. Okay, let me just put her here to check whether she fits. Okay, let's see. Put her in the center and then see if she fits, if she can stand on her own, which I hope she can. There you go. Slowly but surely. Okay, and that's Hawkgirl. You can see Hawkgirl in all her beauty. Okay, so if we're gonna display her like this, at least the broken piece is not visible. Okay, but if we're gonna display her like this, yeah, that's the only time we can see the broken piece. Okay, let me take it out and see what we can do. Here's the broken piece. There. Okay. So anyway, I'll probably get to it after this video. So I hope you like this video. Again, great deal overall. Got it for cheap. Tiny broken piece. That's totally fine. Nothing major. And one step closer to complete the Bombshell collection. One final look. 360 of Hawkgirl. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next unboxing video. Keep safe, everyone.